A local business has decided to donate money they made today helping folks dealing with the aftermath of flooding in Iowa. It's our top story at 5:30. ReMax City Center invited Siouxlanders to a showing of the movies Barbie and Star Wars The Force Awakens today, spending only $5 on the cost of admission and food. This was the first weekend for ReMax's summer movie series, and officials decided to give all profits made today to those impacted by the flooding.
We're just hopeful that we are able to help out, that our contributions are helpful, and that we're just supporting everybody and hoping to get through this as a community.
Kellen says ReMax City Center will also serve as a donation collection site for flood victims.